Unveiling the power of AI in education. You have probably heard the concerns that AI could encourage cheating or even replace teachers. But the truth is far more exciting. AI is reshaping education to ensure every student has a personal tutor and every teacher gains a dedicated assistant. Our current education system often feels like a one-size-fits-all approach, stretched beyond its limits. Some students find classes too easy and lose interest, while others struggle and fall behind. Meanwhile, teachers are overwhelmed with grading and administrative tasks. Clearly, it is time for a smarter, more personalized approach. AI offers exactly that, personalized learning tailored to each student's needs. Imagine an AI tutor that notices when a student is stuck on algebra and provides new explanations, interactive exercises, and encouragement until the concept clicks. Unlike simply giving answers, the best AI guides students to discover solutions on their own, boosting understanding as well as confidence. Teachers also benefit tremendously. AI can streamline grading, create customized lesson plans, and manage routine paperwork. Freed from these time-consuming tasks, teachers can focus on connecting with students and fostering creativity and critical thinking. Looking ahead, the promise is to make quality education accessible to everyone, everywhere. But this requires thoughtful handling of data privacy, combating biases in AI algorithms, and giving teachers proper training to harness these tools effectively. AI is not just a replacement for human educators, it's a powerful partner. Together, they can unlock the full potential of every student, transforming education for the better. If you are excited about this future, like and subscribe and share your thoughts below.